Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the best color grading in a CapCut. So if you want your videos to look cinematic and professional, here I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make the best color grading in CapCut, and also how you can increase your video quality for a stunning final result. Now you can start by launch the CapCut applications on your phone and then open a project or open a video. So in here, for example, I'm going to add this video right here. Okay, let's say this video, you can just add. Okay, so here is the video. Now you can just go to the adjust menu, click on adjust, and you can follow these settings. So for the brightness, I'm going to lower it to -10, contrast increase it into 10, saturation leave it as it is, and add the brilliance to around 7, adjust the sharpness into 100, and then swipe until you find highlights and add around 7 again. Now add some vignette effect in here around 10. Okay, click on the check icon, and now you can click on the overlay button, add overlay, and in here add this overlay to the video, this one. Adjust the size so that it fits into the screen and cover the whole video, and don't forget to adjust the length so that it match with the clips like this. Now go to splice and hit on overlay and set it to around 60. Hit on the check icon, and now your video will look like this. And before exporting, you can also click on this button at the top and adjust the resolution to the minimum 1080p, or if you want the best quality, you can go with 4K, and frame rate choose between 30 to 60. And after that, you can just click on export. So that's pretty much all. So this will be perfect for beginners and editors who want to take their videos to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorial, video editing tricks, and AI editing hacks. So I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye!